everybody, Jason, Pete, Hollis Farms. Headed down to Mississippi this morning, check on the loggers. I don't know if I'll do that first or what. A lot of times I beat them down here, but anyway, gonna check on the loggers. I get on the 5101 and continue to work on these roads and stuff, because it is about time to get started planting. So we gotta get through the bush hogging before I'm gonna start planting. Anyway, looks like it's gonna be a pretty sunny day. Bright behind me this morning. Just a little bit of rain down here. I don't know how bad it's gonna be. I don't think this is the worst part. Out in the woods, I think we're still gonna be good. There's some sticky stuff right here. I got Pete put up for a minute to hear him barking. Should be getting real close to be done in this spot. I believe they had one truck stuck spinning on top there. Like just a little bit more in this spot. Might get done today, and we're gonna get them moved to another spot. Got it looking pretty good. Alright, here we go. As I go back to these other places we're gonna cut, if I got about a piece of a row or half a row out here, I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and cut in and make this a little wider. This will be the last time before next summer, next spring that we cut this. We got just enough rain late yesterday evening, last night to settle the dust. It has been dusty when we're cutting these roads. I think it's gonna be just a little water standing right there in that little mud hole. I think it's gonna make the bush hogging just right today. Last time I cut these roads for the winter, I want to make them as wide as I can. And the biggest reason is come turkey season. The turkeys like these wider roads. They get out here in this sunshine on a cool morning, strut, carry on. So I'm more ready for turkey season than deer season. We're gonna deer hunt, but we are sure enough going turkey hunt. Tell y'all what, these horse flies have gotten bad. I am so proud to be up in this cab tractor. It would be tough with them horse flies right now, open cab. These main roads right here to finish up, it's gonna take me about, some places 3 passes, some 2.5, and some just down and back 2 passes. But like I said, I want to get them as wide as I can this last go around. Want to hang a climber or hunt out of the saddle or whatever on these roads, it'll come turkey season for sure. These old turkeys gonna like these roads. Boy, that's bright right there. Alright, we're gonna be somewhere between 25, I don't think I'll ever make a full three passes. Probably gonna be about 25 foot wide right here. I can just see sitting beside one of them trees right there, big old turkey strutting right down through there. Gotta think about it. You can make it happen if you just think about it. This part right here is pretty wide. It may take 4 passes to get in. Some of these flats we got it cleaned up and just a little bit wider. This right here that we fixing the bush hog now is really mainly for the turkeys. We're gonna have our food plot out here, and there's a shooting house right up here. I don't plant back this way, but them turkeys really like this in the spring. This right here is where I killed them turkeys, or one turkey that came in there. It was double came in there, jumped on the decoys. This is right here where that was. It was sitting right in here somewhere. Maybe one more tree up here. Alright y'all, so my dad's been down here in the evenings working on this crossing where we got to move the loggers in. We got a little bit more rain back here than we did everywhere else. It'll dry on out pretty quick. This right here is going to do pretty good. It's kind of a temporary deal. It'll eventually blow back out. Just need a few weeks of dry weather and logging once we get the logger moved in here. Just about got this. Not a lot of water flowing through that creek right now, no more rain we've had. It's gonna work out good. Alright y'all, not a whole lot, it is a whole lot going on today, just not a lot of video, and got a lot of grass cut. Still pretty early in the day, but I got some other stuff I gotta go do. A lot of grass cutting, loggers is doing good. Showed y'all the crossing that my dad and them's working on. We got another crew in a few days at some point that's gonna move in. So hopefully the rest till it gets too wet, we're going to end up with 2 crews down there. We got to do some catching up. Oh, that's about it. That's about it. Just a lot going on. But anyway, I got to call it a day. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.